D63 come in handy just to pull the Urus a little bit straighter so we could get it inside. What a sight that is. Car's in, we've just got to get it through the ramp there, so we're going to try one theory before we try anything else, which is start it, put it in reverse and see if it will just drive back even though the wheels are like that. All it's got to do is go in a straight line. Yeah, we don't know whether it'll rev because there's no throttle bodies. Finally, we're in my workshop and we can begin to see how bad the damage actually is on this Urus. Okay, I found why this side is steering the wrong way.
Oh! That's the most bent one we've seen.
That is very bent. How the hell has he bent that there?
Oh, it has as well.
Oh my god! That might be a good thing that he's bent that though, because if it hadn't have bent that, something else would have bent. Or snapped. It seems the track rod end and the inner tyre rod are completely bent. On the other side, they're fine. Yeah, this side's fine. Oh, we don't lose them either.
You're the bolt boy.
Oh, bolt boy. Do you want to pick that up, bolt boy? Yeah, good bolt boy. Oh!
Hannah started removing all of the bolts for the under tray, which looks like it's going to need replacing, so we can inspect to see if there's any more damage hiding underneath it all. But things were looking pretty good. If you looked at it from here, you'd never think it had been in an accident. But if you were under here and you did a car vertical check, then you would have known it had been an accident, because it actually does show up on car vertical as a category S structural damage. Another good thing on car vertical, it actually does show me the full timeline of the car. I can see when it's had a number plate change to a personal reg of RD79. That's got to be an expensive number plate, isn't it?
What do you think it stood for?
Rich dude. Rich dude 79. And if a car wasn't an accident and it was auctioned off at a car crash auction site, sometimes you can even see the photos of the car when it was at the auction. But if you want to check your car out on Car Vertical, you can do with the link in the description box below. And with this a code appearing on the screen right now, you're going to save yourself a nice bit of discount on that check. Let's continue to check over the Urus.